Hi there, thanks for tuning in. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked from our customers. How long does it take to cook a chicken on a spit? Now there's obviously a few variables which are going to affect how long it takes to cook a whole chicken. As a rule of thumb, I'd be allowing about 90 minutes for a whole chicken. Otherwise, to speed up the process and cut it down by about half, what you can do is splay the chicken, butterfly it, and cook it in a rotisserie basket. And what you're essentially doing there is you'll have the whole chicken done in about 45 minutes. Just one tip, always take your meat out of the fridge before putting it straight onto the spit. You want to allow it to warm up to room temperature a bit more. Also be mindful of whether it's hot outside or cold outside, because that will affect your cooking times, and try and position your spit protected away from the wind. I'd always suggest having an instant read thermometer handy as well. Simply use the thermometer to pierce the inside of the meat and make sure that it's cooked all the way through before taking it off the skewer. If you'd like to stay connected and keep upping your barbecue game, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, post a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.